Hello, friends! It's too hot outside, so let's make something super fun to play with indoors. A homemade bouncing ball. In a bowl, I'm adding some gum. You can add colour if you want, but it's not necessary. Then slowly, mixing in talcum powder until it becomes smooth and flowy. Slowly. Just like this. Now I pour this gooey mix into an empty bottle to make it easy to fill the balloon. Slowly. Fill up the balloon. Tie it tightly with a cotton thread and ta-da! Your bouncy ball is ready. You can play anywhere. No sun, no sweat. If you liked this fun idea, give it a like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool crafts.